Hi kids! Today we shall learn how to use this and that with examples. First, we shall learn how to use this. Look at the cow. The cow is near to me. So, use the word this. So, we say this is a cow. Now, look at the book. Is the book near or far away from me? Yes, it is near to me. That's why use this. The sentence is this is a book. Where is the kite now? It is also near to me. So we say this is a kite. I hope this is clear to you. How to use this. Now we shall go to the next word, that. How do you use that? When the object is far away, then we use that. I will teach you with some examples. The dog is far away from me. So, use the word that. So, we say that is a dog. Where is the bus? It is far away from me. That's why use the word that. So, the sentence is that is a bus. The fan is far away from me. That's why use the word that. So, we say that is a fan. The balloon is far away from me. That's why use the word that. So, we say that is a balloon. Kids, I hope you understood how to use that. Now, we learned how to use this and that. We shall go through few more examples for better understanding. The duck is near to me. So, this is a duck. The ball is far away from me. That's why that is a ball. This is a car. That is a fox. This is a cat. That is a rabbit. This is a frog. That is an apple. This is a mango. That is an ox. So kids, today we have learned how to use this and that. We use this when an object is near to us. We use that when an object is far away from us. I hope you understood how to use this and that.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.